नमस्ते बच्चों, आज हम पाठ 7 का अभ्यास करेंगे. So today we'll do the exercise of chapter number 7, that is री की मात्रा. So here the first exercise is री की मात्रा लगाकर शब्द बनाइए. So you have to add this री symbol to make a correct word. Now here you can see the first word is kripa. So kr plus pa. So how to write this kri? Ka, re symbol and pa with a symbol, and the word is kripa. Next one is mrig. Mr. So for mr we have to write ma with re symbol and ga. The word is mrig. Next word is grina. So here you have to write ga plus re symbol and na. On the top, sleeping line. Now next one is nrip. Na plus re symbol and pa. The word is nrip. Next one is krishak. So how to write krishak? Ka plus re symbol, sha, ka, and on the top sleeping line. The word is krishak. The last one is nritya. So how to write nritya? Na, re symbol, half ta, and ya. The word is nritya. So I hope you all have written it. Now let's move on to the next exercise. The question is अंग्रेजी अर्थ लिखिए. So you have to write the English meaning of these given words. Now here the first one is krishak. Krishak means farmer. So you have to write here farmer. Next one is grih. Grih means house. So house spelling House, house. Next word is trin. The meaning is grass. Grass. This is the spelling for grass. You have to write along with me. Now the next one is vriksh. Vriksh means tree. 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 Next one is kripa. Kripa means to have mercy. MERCY. Mercy or obligation. Now the last one is grina. Grina means hate. Spelling is HATE. Hate. So I hope you all have written it. Now let's move on to the third exercise. Here the question is शब्द पूरे कीजिए. So you have to complete the words. Now here you can see dash na. So you have to write the correct Vyanjan letter. The word is grina. Ga with re symbol grina. Next one is mrig. Ma plus re symbol mrig. Here it is krishak. Krishak, ka with re symbol. Krishak. Fourth one is grih. Grih means ghar, house. Ga plus re symbol grih. Now the next one is trin. Trin, ta plus re symbol trin. Next word is nritya. So we will write na plus re symbol at the bottom. The word is nritya. Now the next one is vriksha. Va plus re symbol. Now here one thing you have to note that this sleeping line is not touching on shra. Now the next one is kripa. Ka with re symbol. The word is kripa. I hope you all have written it. Now let's move on to the next exercise, that is the fourth one. Question is क्री जोड़कर शब्द बनाइए. So you have to add क्री and make words. First one is already done it for you and the word is kripan. Kripan means sword. Next one is krishi and you have to write this krishi word here. Ka plus re symbol and she, krishi. Next word is kripa. So you have to write this kripa here. Ka, re symbol, pa with a symbol. The word is kripa. Now you have to write these words along with me. The fourth one is krishak. So you have to write this krishak word here in the given space. Kr, sha, ka. The word is krishak. I hope you all have written it. Now let's move on to the next exercise. The question is प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखिए. So you have to answer the following. Now first I'll read out the questions. Listen it very carefully. The first question is का. ऋषि ने ऋषभ को देखकर क्या किया? So what did the saint do after seeing the ox? Next question खा. ऋषभ और मृग क्या करने लगे? So what the ox and deer were doing? गा. शिकारी क्या करना चाहता था? The meaning is what the hunter wanted to do. Fourth one घा. मृग को किसने बचाया? Who saved the deer? Now you have to write these answers in your Hindi notebook. Now I am going to write it. You have to write it along with me. So the first one का. ऋषि ने ऋषभ को देखकर क्या किया? Now I am going to write the answer and you have to write these answers in your Hindi notebook. So ऋषि ने, you have to write ऋषभ. ऋषभ को देखकर. So you have to write देखकर. So you remember ऋषि ने ऋषभ को देखकर पुचकारा. So you have to write this puchkara word here. pu ch ka ra, puchkara. And in Hindi the full stop is a standing line. So always remember to write this standing line after every sentence. So the answer is ऋषि ने ऋषभ को देखकर पुचकारा. Now the second question is ऋषभ और मृग क्या करने लगे? The answer is ऋषभ और मृग तृण पर खेलने लगे. तृण means grass. So they started to play on the grass. So you have to write the answer. ऋषभ और मृग तृण means grass. तृण पर खेलने लगे. खेलने लगे means started to play. खेलने लगे. So you remember you had to draw a standing line. Standing lines means full stop. The third question is शिकारी क्या करना चाहता था? The answer is शिकारी मृग को मारना चाहता था. So you have to write the answer here. शिकारी शा का री. शिकारी मृग. मृग means deer. मृग को मारना, want to hunt. मारना चाहता था. So you have to write here चाहता था. Remember to put this full stop. The fourth question is मृग को किसने बचाया? The answer is मृग को कृषभ ने बचाया. So you have to write it here. मृग, मृग means deer. मृग को कृषभ ने बचाया. कृषभ, कृषभ ने बचाया. बचाया means saved. So who saved the deer? The ox saved the deer. Now you have to write these answers in your Hindi notebook. Next exercise is पढ़िए और रेखांकित अक्षर में री की मात्रा लगाइए. So you have to put this re symbol on the underlined Vyanjan letters. So here you can see the underlined Vyanjan letter, that is va. So you have to put that re symbol at the bottom of va. Before that, I am going to read these sentences and you have to listen it very carefully. The first line, किसी जंगल में एक ऋषि रहते थे. उनका आश्रम नदी के किनारे था. आश्रम के बाहर बहुत सारे वृक्ष थे. नदी पर बहुत से मृग पानी पीने आते थे. ऋषि की कृपा से वहाँ का वातावरण बहुत शांत था. So I'll explain you the meaning of these lines. The first one, किसी जंगल में एक ऋषि रहते थे. So in a forest there lived a saint. उनका आश्रम नदी के किनारे था. So his ashram was on the banks of the river. आश्रम के बाहर बहुत सारे वृक्ष थे. So there were many trees outside his ashram. नदी पर बहुत से मृग पानी पीने आते थे. So many deers used to come to drink water from that river. ऋषि की कृपा से वहाँ का वातावरण बहुत शांत था. So due to the grace of this saint, the environment was very peaceful there. Now this is the meaning of these lines. Now what we have to do is we have to add this re symbol at the bottom of underlined Vyanjan letters. So किसी जंगल में एक ऋषि रहते थे. उनका आश्रम नदी के किनारे था. आश्रम के बाहर बहुत सारे वृक्ष. So you have to write this re symbol here at the bottom of va. बहुत सारे वृक्ष थे. नदी पर बहुत से मृग. So you remember, मृग means deer. मृग पानी पीने आते थे. ऋषि की कृपा, कृपा मीन्स ऑब्लिगेशन और मर्सी. ऋषि की कृपा से वहाँ का वातावरण बहुत शांत था. So I hope you all have written it. Now let's move on to the next exercise, that is गतिविधि. गतिविधि means activity. The question is चित्र देखिए और नाम लिखिए. So you have to see the picture and write their names. Now this is an activity which you have to do it by yourself. After that you have to upload in Microsoft Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.